TIBCO started in the Silicon Valley, so it benefits from having that innovative mindset driven in everything we do. We've been really fortunate to grow up as the internet has grown up. I mean, now we're going from the data center to the cloud, and that's a huge shift for TIBCO. But TIBCO is a cloud company. We have great products that are already out there that are able to take advantage of these new technologies as they come along. We've been able to stay on top of things because we have this huge pool of great talent, of great ideas that are flowing through. I can't think of a single industry that doesn't benefit from having a multicultural approach to how they think through their problems. And I think the travel industry in particular benefits from that multiculturalism and being able to look from those different points of view, to have the points of view from people from different countries, from different cultural backgrounds, from different ethnicities, from different whatever, and have their input be part of that. That's critical to the success of anybody who's seeking to reach out to those folks and provide them products and services that make their lives better. I think events like the IATA series of hackathons actually do help the travel industry get closer to the consumer and really help that customer journey. And they do that by going out to the community and identifying developers with interesting ideas, varied ideas, to bring them to the table. It's a different point of view than I think a lot of executives in the travel industry are frankly used to. So being able to tap those resources and get those ideas out there and really float them up and expose them, I think that is really beneficial to the industry because it does help bring these ideas, fresh new concepts that can help the travel industry make the experience better for their customers. The value in industry standards lies in the fact that, well, in theory, they should be adopted by the entire industry, right? So for example, IATA has the new distribution capability standard. That's a really brilliant move because as a travel-focused developer, I don't really care what airline I'm going to integrate with if they're using the NDC. So I can write my code one time and then go in and change the endpoint, change where it's pointing, maybe change the authentication stuff, and still know that my code is going to work just well with that. This is the center of where it started. I mean, we're located right now in Palo Alto. The TIBCO campus is right here in Palo Alto. And we're really not that far from the garage where two guys, Hewlett and Packard, really started building up their business. We're not too far from where Fairchild Semiconductor was. We're not too far from another garage where two guys named Steve completely revolutionized the personal computing industry. Innovation is baked in. You know, the kind of thinking that happens here and the kind of thinking that folks have adopted from the university and adopted from the kind of work that goes here and they spread wherever they go, that innovative thinking is really what drives a lot of the change that goes on down here. There's a story that I read not too long ago where somebody was saying that what makes San Francisco and the Silicon Valley so special is if I'm not happy with my job, I'm not happy with the way things are going, I just need to go to a bar or a restaurant and mingle and meet people, and I can find a new job or a new idea or a new concept really easily, really quickly. I can't think of any other place in the world where that is really happening.